Proposals, which are also called quotes or estimates, are created in DesignerLogic in a number of different places. Here on the project dashboard, if we click on the proposals link, a list of all proposals for this project will show up right here. Right now we don't have any, so we're going to make a new proposal for this project. So we're going to go over to the items list for this project. And here you'll see all the items that we have on this project. Now if you don't have any items yet, you can come up to Edit, Add, and click on Item and choose how you want to add an item to that project. Now we have another video that shows how to do that. Once you have the items that you want to put on the proposal, you can then come over and select one of those items, and over the three-dot menu, hover over it and click on Proposal. And here the proposal form will open up. Down below we can also set the status, and we're going to choose this is still working on. This is our workflow for proposals, and you can adjust this workflow by clicking on the pencil icon, and you can edit that workflow to suit your needs. We can also choose how we want to calculate the deposit for the proposal, a number of different ways, and we want to choose a multiplier for the deposit, in this case 50%. Put a note on the printout to the client, and make sure the terms and conditions are correct, and these come from your default settings, but you can edit them here for this particular proposal. Just hit submit, and here you'll see this proposal was created with this item on it. And if we go over to the print options, there are a number of different printouts we can do, and any printout in DesignerLogic can be printed directly to a PDF, so you can always create PDFs from printouts. Now if we want to put more things on this proposal besides this rug, we can come up to the Edit, Add on the proposal top and click on Add New Item. And here we're going to add existing items that we already have in the project. We can also create new ones right here or copy from our history and things like that, but we're just going to choose that existing item. And here we see a list of all the items that are not yet on a proposal that are on that project. We're going to choose the chandelier and the hardwood flooring and just hit Add Selected Items to Proposal. And now you can see we have all these items on this proposal. And if we hover over the three-dot menu to the far right, we can edit these items, we can add task events and things like that to these items, and even put them on a new invoice or purchase order if desired. Now if we close this tab and we go back to the main items list on that project and refresh the page, you'll see now that we have that proposal, which is number 2 right here, and anytime we click on that, it will open up the proposal directly. Now let's go back to the main dashboard for this project. And here you can see we now have totals under the proposal section. And if we click on proposals, we'll see that we have that proposal right here ready to go. And if we want to create a new proposal now and not do it from the items page, we can also just come up to Edit, Add and click on the proposal link. And this will create a brand new proposal from scratch for this project. We can put in a title. And then down here we're going to fill out the rest of this like we showed you a second ago and click Submit. And that's going to take us directly to the page that asks us how we want to add items to this proposal. So we can again create it from scratch, add an existing item from the project, copy it from other projects, or copy it from our catalog. We're going to add some existing items from the project. And here we have this reading chair with all of its components. So we're going to select all and then choose this link here. And now we can see all of these items are on this proposal, and you can filter this list if it's very long this way. And we can edit these item specs if we want to right here, or update any tracking information for these items. Now if we close this tab and we go back to the items list, here you can see we have proposal number 3 for all these items in the proposal column, and if we click on that, it will open up the proposal. And again, so anytime you want to create a proposal on a project, just come up to Edit, Add, and either create new items and then make a proposal from those, or just click on Proposal and create a proposal from scratch. And lastly, we'll go back to the main item dashboard, the main project dashboard, and click on Proposals. And you can see we now have 2 proposals for this specific project.